Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about standard libraries map in C++. A map is an associative container that holds key value pair. Keys are stored and unique. To use a map, we need to include the header. To define a map, we use standard libraries map and pass in the type for key and the type for value. To initialize a map of int car pairs, for example, we can write in our main function. Uh, First, we need to include the map. So we're gonna do include map, and here we are going to have a map of type int and car, and this is our map initialized with the key value. So the first we are going to have a key value pair of int type and its value as a character type uppercase A, and then we are going to do uh, the same thing for the next pair, 2 and uppercase B, and then we have one more, 3, and its value uppercase C. So in our example, integers are keys and characters are the values. Every map element is a pair. The first element, the key, is accessed through a dot first member variable, and the second element, the value, is accessed through a dot second member variable. To print out our map, we can use for, and here we have an octo EDL for the element, and this is our map. And then we are going to do cout, and we have element dot first, and then we are going to add some space, and then we have element dot second, and then we are going to add a end of line. Now we can run our code and check the output. Now we are missing one more. And here also, let's add one more here before the handoff line here. And now we can run our code. And here are the keys and their values. And here are the key and their values. We can also construct a map through its default constructor and from its subscript operator. If the key accessed through a subscript operator does not exist, the entire key value pairs get inserted into map. So let's create another map. So here, after our code, we have our map of type int and car. We will name it M2. And now we are going to use the subscript operator. So this will be our M2 and we are going to add a key 1, and the value will be some character D, and 2, and the second key and its value uppercase E, and 2, and the third element with the value key 3, and the value uppercase F. So these are the keys and their values added to our map. And now we are going to loop through and print those key and value pairs again. So we have our four auto elements EL2 with our map, and we print each key and value. EL2 dot first for our key, and some space, and then EL2 dot second for our value, and we can run our code again, and here is the output. D, E, F, 1, 2, 3 are the keys, and D, E, F are the values. We can insert into a map using an insert member function. So we can insert some new key and value, and then we are going to print it out again. So here we do M2 and call insert function and pass in our key value pairs. So this will be such as 10, and its value as uppercase G. Now we are going to run our code again. So here is the key value pair we inserted using the insert function. We can also search a key inside a map. To search a specific key inside a map, we can use the map's find member function, which takes a key and returns an iterator. If the key was found, this function returns an iterator with the value equal to end function. If the key was found, the function returns the iterator pointing at the pair containing the search for key. So we are going to use iterator plus, I'm just gonna clear the terminal. So in our map 2, we are going to search for the key 10, and so let's do that. We have ID for iterator, and this is our M2, and we are going to use a map find function on our map, and this is over here. Find, we are going to pass in 10. So our iterator now points at the map element. Map elements are pairs that consist of the first element, the key, and the second element, the value. To access these using an iterator, first we need to dereference an iterator using the arrow operator. Then we will call the pair's first member variable for a key and second for value. So what we're gonna do over here, we're gonna use if, and this will be if, and in our if we are going to if iterator not equals to our maths and to dot end. So that means we are able to find the key. We can print found. This would be found. Again, type found, and then we are going to print the key first. So that will be it, the arrow operator, and first. Then we are going to add a space after key, and then we are going to print it second, and then end of line. And now we can run our code again. So here we can see found, the key is 10 and its value is uppercase G. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.